Luna Bug! What are you doing? Oh my goodness! What are you doing? Is your nose cold? Come here. Yeah, come here. Your nose. Not on your nose. Go get Thomas. Go get him. Go get him. Well, go get him. He's gonna stand up. She's like, no. Go get him. No, you're being boring. Go get that boy. Go get him. There you go. Where are you going? What have you got? Is that good? That tastes good? Look at that face.